Hello, my name is Paul Hardy. I am an application engineer at Lattice, and today I'm here to demonstrate the Lattice implementation of the Aurora protocol running on an Avant device. What I have to show is the Aurora protocol, which is a protocol that was developed many years ago by Xilinx. It is used for chip-to-chip communication between FPGAs over several channels. The implementation that we have demonstrates an 8 gigabit per second link. The protocol itself, though, can support many different performances or speed line rates. It can also support a different number of lanes as well. In this particular example, we are taking video that is stored on a SD card on the Xilinx board. That is being read by the Xilinx device and then transmitted over the Aurora link. The Aurora link is being received by the Avant device on the Lattice Versa board. That is then being routed back to a 10 gigabit Ethernet link, which is connected to a PC. The PC is then driving the display that you see. So from this, we're able to show how we can stream video over Aurora and display it via a Lattice device onto the screen, which shows full interoperability with the protocol as well as full support for it. If you have any further questions or would like to see further information on this demonstration, please contact Lattice. Thank you for your time.